So the day is finally here. The white elephant is actually being painted white. So selecting the paint colors for the white elephant was actually, relatively easy for me. We wanted to do things very neutral. I wanted a very light white base for all of the design. So I went with my favorite white, which is Benjamin Moore White Dove, and it's everywhere. So it's outside, it's inside, it's the trim, it's the ceiling, it's the walls. And it's a perfect backdrop for any color we want to add. So there are a million shades of white, and it is a very commonly asked question to designers of how to choose the perfect white. One, it's really important to test colors out. White Dove for me is the perfect neutral because it has a little bit of gray undertones and a little bit of brown undertones. So it kind of is that great taupe base to it, so it can go either way. So if we're working on a design that leans heavily gray or leans heavily in the earthy brown tones, it works beautifully. Some whites have a very gray base, some have a blue base, and so you really have to test it out. But I have found that this one works extraordinarily well in a variety of settings.
Came home today and all the windows are covered in plastic. You can see what's going on is it's about to become truly the white elephant. This is so exciting. Let me show you what it looks like out here. A little sneak peek. All the workers are gone for the day. But look at this. Amazing. It's almost like the last look before it's truly transformed.
This color, White Dove, is widely used. It's actually a lot of designers' favorite color. Usually designers have, their go-to color. Mine is White Dove. So the studio at Trademark Interiors is White Dove and everything here. But we recommend it to many clients and they get to see it in the studio when we present the design. So it helps them to really see what the color looks like in a space.
Well, hey there, White House. This looks amazing, and this is just primer. So one coat of primer, windows are still taped, so from inside it's a little weird because you can't really see outside. But wow, even with just the primer, it's amazing. Looks like a whole different house. Driving up the driveway, I just could not even believe this was our house. So yeah, big difference going from dark brown to white. Wow, wait till the landscaping is in. How gorgeous is that? All right, still deciding on front door color, so maybe I'll pull out some colors later today.
There it is. I'll show you the big reveal. So to paint the white elephant, we have 6,200 square feet. We painted inside and outside, trim, doors, walls, trim, you name it, we painted it. Actually, we're still painting it. So it seems like the project that's never ending, but I believe the outside took about 2 weeks and the inside, I don't even know, but it's a long time. Good morning. Today we're starting a cleanup of the landscaping, kind of step one of the landscaping plan, but these two really big mossy trees that were dead are gone. I could not be happier about that because they just look like creepy Halloween scary stuff. But anyway, they're all gone. It's going to open up the yard quite a bit. Oh boy, watching the glass coming in for the dining room table was very stressful.
All right, honey, looks like you're doing a really good job. Make sure there are no spots or anything.
But it's in, and thankfully everything fits beautifully. The table that we sourced for the dining room is from one of Trademark Interiors' vendors, and it's customizable. So we were able to plan that down to the inch. I saw you put your fingerprints under there.
Oh, we did that.
I saw them. Woohoo! So with the light fixture placement and the size of the room, it was very important to get that just right. And so I planned that accordingly. And it fits beautifully, and we're super thrilled with it. The chairs, unbelievably comfortable. So everybody that sits down says, we're never leaving. The plans for the dining room include this very dramatic wallpaper. So we have talked about color and how we're going to use it. There is going to be some very deep, dark tones in that dining room. So it is spectacular. It's a custom hand-painted mural wall covering, and it's going to just completely transform the space. So the overall design for the powder bath is one where I use my travel photos. So every time we go on a trip, I will take a photo, a scenic photo, and no people involved. So in the powder bath, we have multiple pictures of these beautiful scenic places where we've been. So it's a great memory for us. It's good to help me try to remember where each picture is from. It's a little test when people come to visit, so that's fun. We're also framing those all in black. There's black wallpaper going on the sink wall, beautiful sconces, a mirror, and a vessel, large vessel rectangular sink. Very interesting. What you working on, Grant?
My bar.
Are you excited?
I'm excited, can't you tell?
Who's here with you?
Brandon from Campbell's Cabinetry.
We were gonna use the cabinets from the old kitchen, but Grant decided that's not working out so much. So Brandon is here to do a final measure on the design so we can get those ordered. And then once he has that, I have to go to the showroom to pick out the door style
And Brandon said they'd be available in a week.
Right, Brandon?
Absolutely.
1 week.
For you, anything.
1 week.
That's what they say on TV. Isn't that right?
Yep.
The design for the pool and the work that we've had to do on the pool is almost complete for kind of phase one. So we have all new pool equipment installed. We're converting it to a saltwater pool, and it's no longer green. So it's a beautiful blue color. It's heated. It's a perfect temperature. We enjoy it all the time. So Adam has a great time in the pool. He's in there almost every single day. We have tons of toys, and we're really having a great time with it. Going into phase two or phase three, we're not sure. We will put shellstone all around the pool and connect that to the hot tub area, but that'll be a little further down the road. So in the spa area, we saw the concrete going into that area, and then we're ready to put the shellstone down. But however, we did find a leak in the hot tub, so we've had to investigate that. And unfortunately, it turned into kind of like the movie Holes, where you have to just keep digging until you find it. So that's what it looks like right now. We have lots of jackhammering going on, several holes to find the leaks, but we think we're close, and we'll get that repaired pretty quickly.
Working on our hot tub today. I'm gonna come video the guys. Hi, Grant.
Hi, honey.
Hi, Rusty.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
What are you guys doing today?
Just talking.
Just talking.
And then we're gonna do the wall cap.
Yeah.
pavers.
Exciting. Wall cap on the little wall out there, and pavers around the hot tub. Hot tub was resurfaced, new waterline tile, and Rusty's gonna work his magic, right?
Absolutely.
Way to go.
That's right.
That's the wall that will get the cap. We'll go just across the top here. You can see just to finish that off. This table, I don't know what we're doing with. And then there'll be some more landscaping around there eventually, but at least for now that will look very finished.
Then we would have to redo the whole.
Sophie's out checking on Rusty. She wants to make sure he's okay. Looking good, Rusty.
Thank you.
Our cup ball going on. Well, it's about sunset time. Not much color tonight, but still a beautiful sky. But actually coming outside to check on the top of the wall. So we finished that. So we have a beautiful finished edge here that just goes right up to the backyard. It'll be great when guests come over because it's actually just another seat, really, that goes around the pool. So we'll have some pretty landscaping and plants around here, but it looks beautiful, nice and finished. Well, the top is finished. Not much else is finished out here, but the hot tub is full of water, so that's good. It's not leaking, so that's a plus. So we can finish the install of that, and then pavers all around the pool deck. Stay tuned.
Designing the kitchen for the White Elephant, or any kitchen for that matter, is a very long process. It's not something that's done in a day. We always start with an inspiration of some sort, and then we work through that with the cabinet manufacturer. So our vendor, Campbell's Custom Cabinetry, they're amazing, and their showroom is stunning. So we spent quite a few visits there going through selections, options, door styles, layouts of the kitchen. That took forever. So we had multiple meetings and red lines of what cabinet goes where and the sizes. Are they drawers? Are they doors? Where do we want the sink? How big is the sink? So these are all things that we work through at Trademark Interiors with our clients and with our cabinet vendor to come up with the perfect plan for a kitchen. We are really pumped to get this kitchen out of here and the new kitchen in. So my dream kitchen coming up soon. So please subscribe to the channel, leave comments. If you have questions about kitchen design, we're happy to help. So please leave a comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next episode.